I like this school.
He loves it here. He gets to learn all sorts of things. He loves the Spanish. He loves learning with the computer. He's coding. He's in first grade. I think that's pretty amazing.
You could use coding to make little robots.
It's really fun to do.
They specialize in science, technology, math, and all that. So, were the world going that way, we thought he'd have a jump on everyone else. So,
we really appreciated their education model, the STEM-based education. Felt very strongly, especially for young girls, to have that math and science background.
They were extremely excited to be learning more hands-on.
And then I can put this over here.
Something that I'm really enjoying teaching the kids is the 3D printing.
We're 3D printing a house right now.
I can see these kids walking away with problem-solving skills that they can take away and apply to their real life and hopefully future STEM careers.
This is a flower vase.
We've had an engineer come and speak to the class, and he talked about 3D printing and things he did in high school and what helped him. So I could show the kids, oh yeah, the 3D printer's cool. Yeah, we can make interesting things, but this is how it's used in real life.
This is the house. It's made out of the 3D printer.
It's fun, and you get to make anything that you want sometimes. It's pretty interesting to look at from the top and from the bottom. You can also see the layers being spread on.
I also like this school because our teachers are fun.
And it's really fun to create things too.